What? We got no arrow. Are you serious? Woo! Oh my god, yo. I slipped on my gear, I slipped on my clutch, and I let go of my throttle all at the same time, and that shit almost fucking cost me my, not my life, but my bike, which is my life, so it cost me my life. Damn. He wants to get by. Don't listen, bruh. I tried. No problem. Fucking starving, man. Oh my god. You know it's messed up when you prefer to ride than eat. I haven't eaten all day. It's like 5 or 6 in the afternoon, and all I've been doing is riding today. Man, Senna just told me she got low batteries, man. Disrespectful. Disrespectful. I don't appreciate that. Stop! These kids are fucking around, man. No jaywalking, little kids! No! You tell them, boss. What kind of stop is this? Bad boy. Bad boy! Oh, shit. Yeah. Fuck. I'm not gonna run over you. Eyeballing me and shit. Uh-oh. I all of a sudden feel under pressure to spark a conversation. Oh, there's another biker. Oh, they're talking. I feel like I'm out of the conversation now. What the fuck? Still giving me like the what up? It was flashing red, man. Up. Oh, so don't stop now. It smells too good. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Damn, kids just love this. Oh, this bike shit, man. Been waiting here for 10 hours, man, just to try to go straight on a stop sign. Chase! Well, that sucked. God damn, this bike is loud. I just realized that now. Stop with no hands, baby. Let's do it. Nope. Woohoo! Get off the phone. No drinking and driving. I mean, phone and driving. Oh my god, that was awkward. Let's leave. That was fucking hella awkward. I stalled when he let me go. Stalled twice. Shit, low on gas. Fuck. Gas station, where are you? I was gonna yell at her, but that's very mean and she's very young. Oh, my balls! That's what I get. What the fuck? What the fuck? There's underwear, what the fuck? Curb hop. Donk. What the fuck? She gave me the biggest fucking smile in the world. We're all guilty of doing that. What the fuck? There's a big sign on the road. What the hell? Get hit. I don't want you to get hit, buddy. I have a feeling he's gonna get smashed. Nope. What about me? Nope. You know what? I ain't trusting no cars today, man. We're parking right here. We decided, oh, ice cream! I want ice cream! We decided to, ooh, hot dog, I want hot dog. Oh, bike. Oh, well, I have a bike. Hey! Wrong window. Kickstand. Did my bike just fucking die? I don't know what the fuck that is. I just kill switched myself by accident. What the fuck? There's always that game where you're rolling really slow, trying not to put your feet on the ground, hoping for a green light, and that just happened. I'm pro, bitch. Coxville. Oh, Cooksville. Never mind. What the fuck is that?
I know you like my shit. I know you like my shit. I know you like, so like my shit.
A PS Records production.